Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Who all love rose plants here? Because I do. Our garden has about 5 types of colors of roses. Some people think that rose care is very hard. But to tell you, rose care is easier than you think. Anyone can grow them successfully. Just plant your roses in a sunny location with good drainage. Fertilize them regularly for impressive flowers. Water them evenly to keep the soil moist. Today I will tell you about 3 favorite fertilizers of rose plant that my mom uses to keep her rose plant healthy. Before fertilizing, you must loosen your soil like this. It helps in aeration and helps to absorb all the nutrients from your fertilizer. The first best fertilizer for rose plant is kitchen waste compost. Do you know that natural organic fertilizer act like a healthy balanced diet? And the organic fertilizers stimulate the soil ecology and add to the long-term fertility of the soil. Normally, rose plant is a heavy feeder plant, so you must fertilize it of interval of 15 days. Now, some of you may see that your rose leaves have turned yellow or brown, and the main cause of this is overwatering or over-fertilization. Normally, my mom removes all the infected and damaged parts of the plant. And you can also fix this problem by mulching. Mulching means you will cover your soil with dry leaves, dry grass, or paper. Applying mulch around the base of roses twice a year is the best way to maintain soil health and add nutrients to the ground organically. Adding mulch to the rose bed is more about feeding the soil itself rather than directly feeding the plant, which in turn produce healthy, disease-resistant roses. The next fertilizer that I'm going to tell you is also the best for rose plants. And it is the mustard cake fertilizer. Sometimes mustard cake is not available in our houses, or sometimes it is too costly in the market. That time you can use mustard seeds and grind them like this. Now you just have to put the paste into a bottle, and you just have to add 5 to 10 ml of bioenzyme into the bottle and put it aside. Also make sure to close the lid. And if you don't have bioenzyme available in home, you can just add some jaggery into this paste. And after 7 to 10 days, you can add 100 gram of mustard seeds and dilute it with 5 liters of water. As this is a very strong fertilizer, you must only give a little amount of it to the plants. And did you know that blood and bone meal is the best fertilizer for the rose plant? If you are a non-vegetarian and you have done washing your fish or meat in water, you can put that water in your plant. I hope you enjoyed this video very much. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.